Hey guys, I'm playing Don't Whack Your Boss with Superpowers. I don't know what I'm doing, I'm just gonna start. Shut up. Wonder what this is. Spider-Man? Oh. It is Spider-Man. God, it's so loud. It's so loud. It's so loud. Next. Where's Wolverine? I want Wolverine. Hold on. Okay. It's probably Hulk. Oh. Is there anything else besides this? Oh, what's this? It's probably Thor. I knew it, it's Thor. We also say hi to this Discord friend. Say hi. Say freaking hi. Okay, never mind. Hello. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. It's my God. Say hi. Are you not gonna say hi? I'm recording. Screech right now? Yes. I want to be in it. Okay. Say hi. Still typing, apparently. I've been recording for like 2 minutes right now. I'm gonna end it around. Oh my God, what do you want? Hi in Chinese, American, and Bernese. Cool. Okay, I don't care about you. I was Wolverine. I want Wolverine. There should be. What's this? Oh. Hello. Go. Okay. That was unexpected. There's the Wolverine! Oh my God, yes! Wolverine. Dinner. Pizza. Just keeps on thinking about pizza. That's all he wants. That's all Wolverine wants. Like, seriously. What's this? Oh. 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 What is going on here? What is going on? Oh. He's dead. That's good to know. So I've got 5 kills so far. Wait, what this one is? Oh, which one is that one? It's the freezing. It's like the freezing guy, but what is it? What's his name? Oh. Okay. That was unexpected. Wonder what this one is. Wait, is it Godzilla? I swear to God if it is. It's Godzilla, I think. Oh, is it? Oh, it is Godzilla! Wow. We are spamming our own chat. Look. Spam Tom! And then we just start spamming. Okay, just stop. Stop, it's gonna crash my comp, please. Stop! Please! Okay, never mind. Just gonna continue it. Okay, next. This. Hulk smash! Hulk smash! Hulk smash! Honey boss. Hulk smash! Hulk smash! I think I'll continue this sooner or later. I'll continue this later. Okay, bye.